Hey guys, it's Rob, and we are at the Dairy Queen on Bangor Street in Augusta, Maine, and we are about to try the highly anticipated cotton candy blizzard from Dairy Queen. I gotta say that this is very enjoyable. It is everything that you expect from both ice cream and cotton candy. It's very good. I gotta say, I very much enjoy this. It is a very hot day today. So this ice cream is hitting the spot. Alright, well, there it is. The Dairy Queen cotton candy blizzard review. Thank you.